Hello fellow creators, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Shawa and on this channel I post fun and informative videos on sewing. And today's video is a tutorial video, very simple and short. I'm going to be making these pair of jeans into this skirt, and as you can see, it's different vibes and I'm loving how it turned out at the end of the day. It is so easy to make in literally just 3 steps. And 5 minutes you can make this top as well. So yes, if you want to know how I made this top, make sure you keep on watching. Okay guys, so as I said, it's a very easy project. All you need are your jeans, your scissors, and your sewing machine. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut all the way through the inner leg like so, from the bottom all the way to the crotch and then to the other side. And then once you're done with that, what you just want to do is you want to take the jean and then you're just going to turn it to the wrong side. Okay, and then you take the piece and you want to arrange it in such a way that you'll be able to see the pockets and you'll also be able to see the zipper fly. So once you've done that, you want to head over to your sewing machine and then you want to take the piece with the back panels facing each other like so. What you want to take note of is that you want to ensure that you're starting at where that back pocket is, as you can see on the screen, rather than doing it from where I started, because where I started it made it have this puckering at the back, which you don't want. Then you're going to go ahead to sew all the way down till you get to the bottom, since it's the back panel. And then for the front panel, we want to do the exact same thing, but the only thing is that we're not going to go all the way down to the bottom because we want it to be a slit. And as you've seen, isn't it easy to make? It's so easy to make. So if you have a pair of jeans that you are not wearing, that you just don't like the way it fits, sis, use this tutorial to turn it into a skirt, because trust me, the fact that it's just a different style, you're just gonna love it. You're just gonna learn to wear it. As you can see, I've already worn it out. So yeah, that is just that for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as you can see, I also post a lot of tutorials like this, and I have this thrift flip where I turn my shirt into a business casual top and it's giving, as you can see. So just gonna check that out there and I will see you there. Bye.